Can you avoid a criminal conviction through pretrial intervention in New Jersey? Pretrial intervention, commonly called PTI, is a diversionary program that can allow certain defendants facing indictable criminal charges to avoid traditional prosecution. If you successfully complete PTI, the charges can be dismissed without a criminal conviction. But not everyone qualifies. PTI is generally intended for defendants who are good candidates for rehabilitation. A typical applicant has no prior indictable conviction and has not previously used PTI or another diversionary program, such as conditional discharge or conditional dismissal. And this is important. Even if an old charge was dismissed after you completed a diversionary program, that prior participation may still affect your eligibility for PTI. The charge itself also matters. Serious offenses, including certain violent crimes, weapons offenses, Graves Act cases, and first or second degree charges, can face significant restrictions or presumptions against PTI. Even if you meet the basic eligibility requirements, admission is not automatic. Prosecutors can consider the circumstances of the offense, your criminal history, likelihood of reoffending, the interests of the victim, your personal background, and whether PTI would serve the public interest. Your employment, family responsibilities, treatment needs, character, and whether the charge appears to be an isolated incident may also become important. And what happens if your PTI application is denied? Depending on the circumstances, your attorney may be able to challenge the rejection. However, courts generally give prosecutors substantial discretion in PTI decisions. The bottom line is that PTI can provide an opportunity to resolve a New Jersey criminal case without a conviction, but eligibility depends on much more than simply being a first-time offender. If you are facing criminal charges in New Jersey, an experienced criminal defense attorney can evaluate whether PTI may be an option in your case.